In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in PayPal and explore your withdrawal options. Let's dive right into the process and get you set up. First, you need to head over to paypal.com. It's the central hub for everything PayPal, and from there you can begin your journey. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a sign up button right at the top. Just give that a click to start the registration process. Next, you'll be prompted to choose between a personal or business account. It's important to pick the one that suits your needs best. A personal account is great for online shopping and managing your finances, while a business account gives you more tools to manage sales and payments if you're a business owner. Now here's the part where you enter your details. You'll be asked for your email address, which will act as your PayPal ID, so make sure it's an account you check often. Then fill in your first and last name, address and phone number, and finally create a strong password to keep your account secure. A good tip here is to mix letters, numbers and symbols in your password to make it harder to guess. After filling out these details, PayPal will send a verification email to confirm your email address. Check your inbox. Sometimes it might sneak into your spam folder, so keep an eye out. Open that email and click on the provided link to verify your account. This step is crucial as it ensures that your email is valid and secure. Once you've verified your email, you're almost there. To start using your PayPal account effectively, for sending and receiving money, you'll need to link either a bank account or a credit or debit card. This step allows you to transfer funds to and from your PayPal wallet. Simply follow the instructions on the screen to enter your bank or card details securely. After everything is verified and linked, congratulations. You can now use your PayPal account to send money to friends and family, make purchases online, manage your finances, and more. It's that convenient. Now moving on to withdrawing your funds from PayPal. If you wish to access the money in your PayPal account, you can do so by transferring the balance to your linked bank account. Alternatively, if you prefer quicker access, you can transfer your PayPal balance to a linked debit card. This usually takes a few business days for the transaction to complete, so plan accordingly. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of setting up a PayPal account and managing your withdrawal options. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're ready to get started. Thank you for watching, and be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions. Have a great day.